Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can reset your default settings in the Vivaldi web browser. For example, if you'd like to go back or restore the factory settings to fix, for example, various performance issues, just like that. It is super simple, guys. So let us show you really quickly where to find that feature and option here in the Vivaldi web browser. It is actually super simple. Launch the Vivaldi web browser. Here on your home screen, click on that gear icon in the bottom left corner to access your browser settings. You may use the shortcut Ctrl F12 for that as well. And here inside your browser settings, guys, head over to General, here in the top left corner. And here inside your General browser settings, scroll down to the very bottom of your settings. And here you'll see an option at the bottom, Reset Settings. So you may do that by simply clicking on that button here. This will reset your browser settings to its factory settings and default values. So guys, if you're 100% sure to do that, simply click on that button, confirm by clicking on that button here. And that's all the magic behind this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.